and this is my screencast for my creation of my online course module. I've chosen to create a Module 0, which is an introductory module to my virtual math classes. This is designed for middle and high school students who are enrolled in my online math courses through the county virtual school. As I stated, Module 0 is an introductory module to set expectations, give students a tour of the course and where to find basic information, as well as to help them navigate through the course and make a plan and a schedule for how they will accomplish each of the tasks required to be successful. When you first click on my Module 0, this is the introductory page. I have a short explanation on why I have this particular module here, as well as the goals for each of the lessons that my students will complete. I've included a to-do list for them to use, and I'll be adding to this to-do list as I work through each of the lessons in this course. In Lesson 1, my students will start by learning a little me, as well as sending me an email through the course and a text with basic information. I've embedded a YouTube video into the course so that no external links have to open. I've also included a video on growth mindset for my students to hopefully set them up for success, and a bit for them to read about how to be a good online learner, and then finally a tour of the course. At the bottom, it links to Lesson 2. I hope you have enjoyed learning a little bit about my Module 0, and I look forward to any feedback I might be able to get. Thank you.